What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Projects with Matt. In today's video, we're going to be changing my friend Emily's tire. She's got a flat tire. We just got home from wedding planning, and we're going to do a quick tire change. So stick around and watch as we change this super flat tire. Get that donut. Before we jack it up, let's break the lugs. Damn. There's one. There's that one. And we're done. That's how you change a tire in the middle of winter.